Many a times, whether at the end of the year or at the beginning of a new year, we are told to set goals. And this because setting goals has so many advantages, whether to an individual or to a business. So if you're one of those people who are wondering why you need to set goals, here are the reasons why you need to set goals. Number one, it improves focus, or it increases your focus. When you have something that you need to achieve, or if you have something that you set your mind that you need to achieve, then all your focus will be onto it. And where your focus goes, your energy flows. So most of the time, it will be easier for you to achieve something if you set the goal that you need to achieve it. But if you just open without a goal or without an aim, then your focus will be divided, and having a goal or achieving something will be so much difficult. Then number two, it helps you to have personal growth. When you have something, or you set something that you're going to achieve, or if you set a goal or a target that you're going to achieve something, then you'll be willing to learn, or you'll be willing to improve yourself for you to be able to achieve that thing. Maybe if you have to improve yourself as a brand, then you'll be able to invest on yourself, to learn new things, to learn new ideas, and this, as a result, it will help you to have personal growth. Then number three, it breeds intentionality. When you set goals, you'll be determined to achieve that thing. So most of your daily activities will be aligned into that idea or into that thing that you need to achieve. So you'll be so much determined in achieving it. So most of your activities will not be divided into many other daily activities. So this will breed intentionality. Then number four, it will be measurement of your growth. When you set goals, even if at the end of the year or at the end of that period you not achieve what you intended to achieve, you'll have improved on some level, and this will be as a measurement what you've improved from your previous set to the time that you are in. But if you just don't set any goal, then you won't measure yourself if you have improved or you haven't improved. Then finally, the last one and the most important one, it setting goals is a source of inspiration. When you set goals, then you'll be determined to achieve something. But when if you just live freely, then you will not have something to inspire to work hard. You will not have something that will inspire you to doing something that will help you to improve on yourself, that will inspire you to also improve on your financial status, that will inspire you to do even little and anything. But when you set goals, when you look at your goals, yeah, no matter big or small it is, it will inspire you to work hard, and it will inspire you to achieve the goal that you intend to achieve. So, as we are saying goodbye to 2024 and ushering in 2025, let's aspire to set goals. Let's aspire to have vision board on what we need to achieve, and we will make 2025 a great year for us.